Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Mayan Riviera. I guess it's been a little bit since I've got a video out, in about a month or so. Things have been a little bit crazy here, I guess the last 3 months. Time has seemed to have gone a little quick. Since September, I guess. Been a bit of a blur even this summer. I was traveling lots because we're building the house here at the Grand Sirenis, which is Casa Arroyo Blanco. And then in September, we had the tragic loss of our son-in-law who died in an all-terrain vehicle accident, which really threw the whole family into disarray and made you think things through twice about family time, life, all that kind of stuff. We're getting through it, and our daughter and her family, the kids are you know, day by day, I guess, is the best thing to say, right? That's all you can do, and just want to reach out and wrap our arms around her and give her a big hug to the two boys and the girl and our daughter. So anyway, on to better things. We have been busy since we've been down here. We've had a wedding for close friends of ours right down here at the beach where I am right now. You can see they're actually getting ready and setting up for another one. I seem to have 2 or 3 a week down here at the Grand Sirenis where we are. Also, lots of friends at the resort, and I've been spending time trying to catch up with them as they're in and out for, you know, a week, 10 days at a time. So you try and catch up a couple of days with those guys. Been over at the house lots has happened. I actually got quite a bit of video shot. I just haven't had a lot of time to actually put it together and get it all edited down and make sense. But I'm gonna spend the next week or so here doing that. We actually traveled last week for 4 days and went for a visit to Chiapas with some friends. It was a kind of a quick last minute thing. Weren't really planning on that, but it was a awesome time. Went to Tuxtla Gutierrez, and then from there down to Comitán. Spent a couple of days, seen some territory, got some great food, and seen a little different part of Mexico that we wouldn't get to usually. So anyway, let's go on with the building, and things are moving here. As you'll see in this video, the walls here are starting to get done up. They're all the plasters being finished. Call it Mesilla. Basically it's plaster, 3 coats that the guys do. And they put all that together, and then the rough coat first, which is real rough just to get everything sticking, and next a little bit smoother, and then they do a real smooth coat which they polish, and you'll see. And the tile is starting to go down. So let's jump on over and see what we got going on here, check out some of the stuff. And once again, I do apologize. I've been getting a few messages and people asking, when is the next video coming out? Well, it's right now, and then I promise here in the next few days to have a few more. So hopefully everybody likes this. Hey, and if you are looking at this, how about subscribing? There's lots of people that watch these videos that aren't actually subscribed to it. That'd be real sweet if you did. It actually gets it bumped up a little higher so more people get to see it, and it pushes it out to YouTube a little bit. And if you like the video with a little thumbs up, that's even more. If you don't like it, you know, put a thumbs down. We can take it. But anyway, we do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching it. And if you hit subscribe, it does help get it out a little wider, because we're going to sell this house come here in February, March. When it's done, it'll be on the market.